Hello and welcome. If you're interested in creating a predictive maintenance program that is not only simple to implement, but can also significantly reduce your annual maintenance costs, then you've come to the right place. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and in this video, we will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can successfully start a predictive maintenance program at your facility. We'll be covering the ABCs of analyzing, ranking, and prioritizing critical failures, creating ongoing data streams, and notifying your maintenance team for timely action. Let's get started. Let's dive right into how you can easily start a predictive maintenance program. The process is simple and can be broken down into 3 steps. First, focus on your most critical piece of equipment. Second, keep track of information related to failures. And third, set up alerts to generate work orders to prevent major breakdown. By following these steps, your facility will see significant results quickly. Once you've got this process down in one area of your facility, you can easily expand your predictive maintenance program to reap even more benefits. Did you know that according to recent studies, predictive maintenance can reduce potential failures and maintenance costs by 12% per year? Now let's get into the details of how to do this. First things first, you need to analyze, rank, and prioritize critical failures. To prevent breakdowns, it's crucial to understand the failures on your critical assets, where they come from, and their impact. A popular tool for this is the ABC analysis. This tool allows you to rank 3 factors on a 10-point scale: frequency of failures, how hard it is to detect the failure, and the failure's impact on your overall operations. This will help you generate a risk priority number. By doing this, you can schedule more frequent inspections and detailed checks on those critical machines that are more prone to failure, ultimately reducing downtime. Next, you need to create ongoing data streams. Once you've identified your critical equipment, it's important to understand exactly where the failures are originating. Thankfully, a wide variety of sensors are now available to monitor everything from humidity to temperature to vibration. And guess what? They are dropping in cost and improving in quality every day, making them a fantastic extra set of eyes for your facility. Predictive maintenance software can use these sensor alerts along with artificial intelligence to project patterns that may help catch major breakdowns before they occur, saving you potentially thousands of dollars. Lastly, you need to notify your maintenance team for action. As soon as your established thresholds are reached on certain sensors or other data collection systems, your CMMS can automatically generate a work order for maintenance technicians or flag maintenance supervisors to take appropriate action. At this point, all the data entered into your system becomes available and provides the foundation to make the best maintenance decisions possible. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily start a predictive maintenance program and see significant results in no time. Thank you for watching. Today, we've covered the key steps to start a predictive maintenance program: analyzing, ranking, and prioritizing critical failures, creating ongoing data streams, and notifying your maintenance team for action. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, the success of your maintenance team is just a few clicks away.